Welcome dear students, and now let us start one more question of this third exercise statistics 14.3, and now this is second question. This model is most important question for your internal examination, final examination. If it is any examination conducting, they are going to conduct compulsory, surely they give this type of question. Already I told you in the very first exercise, missing frequency model. Here also two frequencies are missing, x and y, that we are going to find. And here the given data is class interval is given and frequency is given, and they have given median. Already median is given, so median of this data is 28.5. The median of this class, this raw data is 28.5. Then we have to find x and y. As usual, follow the formula, prepare the table, classify the data and substitute the formula, you get the answer. Let us take the given data in columns first. First of all, the given rows, class interval, yes, and frequencies. So we have frequencies. And next, you know that cumulative frequency, only one column is added in median. So class interval 0 to 10, 10 to 20, and 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, and 50 to 60. Yes. So my dear students, please concentrate on this solution. How do we get the solution? Because it's one of the important question in this chapter. Frequency is 5, x, 20, 15, y, and 5. You know that cumulative frequency. How do we find cumulative frequency? So addition of sum of all these frequencies and ascending orders, top to bottom. First result is 5, and second result 5 plus x, that is x plus 5. Next, x plus 5 plus 20, that becomes x plus 5 plus 20, that is 25. You know that. Next, x plus 25 plus 15, 40. Next, x plus 40 plus y is a variable, so you get x plus y plus 40. And finally, x plus y plus 40 plus 5, 40 plus 5 is 45. So we have got all the results. Now find n. What is n? Number of observations. You have to find the summation. 5, directly you can find 20 plus 5, 25, 25 and 5, 30 plus 10, 40, 40 plus 5, 45. So we have x variable, y variable, and it is 45. Yes. Now we have n value and cumulative frequencies are there. But which class has to be taken as median? So this is 28.5. Median is already given 28.5. Where is 28.5? Where does it lie? In which class it lies? The 28.5 lies between 20 and 30. 20 and 30. Therefore, this is median class. 20 to 30 is the median class because 28.5 lies between 20 to 30. Now let us write here. What is the first value? L. Lower boundary of the median class, that is 20. Yes. N by 2. We don't know what is n by 2. Yes, but n by 2 means you can find n. N is there. X plus y plus 45. Yes. N by 2, that is n by 2 is x plus y plus 45 by 2. And next, cumulative frequency. What is cumulative frequency? You know that. Preceding class of median. This is median class cumulative frequency, and this becomes preceding. So cumulative frequency is x plus 5 or 5 plus x. And small f. What is small f? Median class frequency. And h, height of the classes increasing by 10. Now first of all, let us take what is median. 28.5 is the median. Yes. But here, how many students data it is? Yes. This is the data of 60 observation. This is the data of 60 observation. Therefore, total number of observations is 60. You can take directly here. 60 by 2 is 30. Number of observation is 60. Total number of observation. But what is n here? According to this rod order, that is x plus y plus 45 is 60. Then x plus y is equals to, shift 45 to right side, you get 60 minus 45, which is equals to 15. So x plus y value is 15. Yes. And coming to formula, now let us substitute in the formula. So median is equals to L is 20 plus n by 2. N by 2 is 30. We just now we got, minus cumulative frequency. What is cumulative frequency? X plus 5. Yes. Minus cumulative frequency. What is cumulative frequency? X plus 5 or 5 plus x. Minus of x plus 5 by small f. What is small f? 20 into h. Height of the classes is 10. But this result is equals to 28.5. This median is given. Already this value is given 28.5. It is given 28.5 median. And let us solve this. 10 ones are 10 twos are. So we get 28.5 is equals to 20. This, let us shift to 20 to left side. This plus 20 becomes minus 20. And finally on LHS, what we have got, 30 minus into plus minus x, and it is minus 5 by 2. And 28.5, 20, you get 8.5. That is 30 minus 5, 25 minus x by 2. Now shift 2 to left side, then division becomes multiplication. 2 into 8.5, 8.5 2s are, we get 17 is equals to 25 minus x, but it is minus. So let us shift minus x to left side. It becomes plus, minus becomes plus x, and equals to 25. Group the like terms. X variable should be left side and constant should be shifted to right side. Minus 17. So therefore x is equals to 25 minus 17 is 8. X is 8. Then how do we find y? Already we have an equation. First equation. What is our first equation? X plus y is 15. X plus y is 15. Then substitute x value. Put x is equals to 8. Therefore y is equals to 15 minus 8 is 7. So finally we have x is equals to 8 and y is equals to 7. So this is the result. It is one of the most important questions in statistics chapter. In the whole chapter, it is one of the most important question. Practice like anything. Practice 2 times, 3 times till you get the answer without seeing. Yes. Let us continue one more question. Now this is the data about third question, and here A below 20, below 25, their ages are given and number of policyholder. An LIC agent has conducted a survey and he has collected some information about the number of policyholders and their ages. That's all. We have to find. This is the data about the 100 policyholders. Total number of observations 100. So n is equals to 100. You can take here. And but here the given data should be converted into columns. As you know, the age is nothing but class intervals. You know that. Yes. Below 20, directly below 20. Below 25. Below 25 becomes 20 to 25. Up to 25 means 20 to 25. Below 30, 25 to 30. Below 35, 30 to 35. So you can take this first row as like first column like this. So these are the class intervals. And coming to the second one, these are the policy holders, number of policy holders Observe these observations first of all. As you know, always in each and every question, the frequencies will be taken as in zigzag order. They will be taken in zigzag order. 20, 25, 18, 7, 25, 29, 30, 12, 6. Like this, increasing, decreasing, increasing, decreasing order. But observe this value 2, 6, 24, 45, 75. These are arranged in a ascending order of magnitude, ascending small to big. So this is not a frequency. This should be considered as cumulative frequencies. That's why I have taken this row in the third column, which is called a cumulative frequency. No confusion, that's all. And coming to frequencies, yes, we have to find frequency, because without frequencies you cannot substitute that f value. Yes, what is frequency? First value 2. The second value becomes the difference of second and its preceding. The difference of second and its preceding. 6 minus 2. And so when do we get 6? To get 6 and this 2, how much value should be added to 2? 2 plus 4 is 6. 2 plus 4 is 6. And next difference, 24 minus 6 is 18. 45 minus 24 is 21. 78 minus 45 is 33. 89 minus 78 is 11. Yes. And 92 minus 89, 3. 98 minus 92 is 6. 100 minus 98 is 2. So these are the frequencies. As you know, n is equals to 100. Already I have given, this is a dot about 100 in policyholder. Let us write the values here. L, what is L? Lower boundary of median class. First of all, select the median class. Which is called median class? Half of the frequencies, total number of observation. 100, half of 100. That is, half of 100 is 50. Where do we get 50th observation here? This is up to 45. So 50th observation we get in this row here. So therefore, this value should be considered as 1, 2, 3, 4, fifth class. This fifth class should be taken as median class, and L becomes lower boundary of the median class. You know that lower boundary always should be taken as lower limit of the exclusive type of classes. It is chain. Yes, N is there, and cumulative frequency. That is, cumulative frequency means it's a preceding cumulative frequency 45, and small f is direct median class frequency, and finally h is height of the classes increasing by 5. Just you substitute in the formula. Therefore, median is equals to L 35 plus n by 2 is 50 minus cumulative frequency is 45 by small f 33 into height 5. You can do, just simplify this column first, then after add the result to 35. 50 minus 45 is 5. 5 is a 25 by 33. Now this is in fractional form. Convert into decimal form by dividing 25 by 33 table. Not divisible, I take 250. 33 table, you can take 7 7 3 are 21, 7 3 21, you get 231, and remainder is 19. Already decimal point 190. 33 table, you can take 6 more, 5 165. We get 25. Already decimal point 250. We have got the same result. So you know that again 7 times. So 231. Stop this calculation and check the third decimal place. Already I have told you, in any question from this chapter, if you get any question, first of all in group.essay question, first find the value in 3 decimal places and correct into 2 decimal places. Here the third decimal place, if the third decimal place is equal to 5 or greater than 5, add 1 to its preceding digit, or if it is less than 5, neglect that value. So it is greater than 5, you get 1, add it, so we get 35 plus 0.7, 5 plus 1 6, and the answer is 35.76. So this is the median of this data. That's it. Just like this. So keep in mind the formula and prepare the tabular form, and substitute the values in the formula. You get the answer. Just like this, you try the remaining questions of the exercise, and we will discuss the next question. That's it.